Hey guys, what's up? I'm back Wedsel from the channel Fragrance RX. I'm so excited to get here in my dormitory, and after a 30-hour duty in our hospital, I'm so excited to go home. Why? Because this package just arrived here. So guys, are you excited to find out what's inside this box? Guys, stay tuned. So now I have this very cute little box. So I will describe this box. It's LBC. No, just kidding. So thank you to the sender of this package. Thank you very much. Thank you for letting me have this fragrance of yours. So now let's proceed to the unboxing part of the video. I will use this mini knife. There, mini knife, a very cute little knife. And I'll open this package already. Trying to be careful not to destroy what's inside. There. Okay, almost done. And it's now opened. Oops, not yet, not yet. There you have it. Ta-da! It's now opened. Okay. So, what do we have here? We have here, you can't see it yet guys. I'll have to remove this bubble wrap first. There. Okay. Here we go. It's coming out. Whoa! It's none other than Bogart for Homme by Jacques Bogart. So I will now have my initial impression on this fragrance, guys. So stay tuned. But before anything else, I will describe first the presentation of this box. So first we have here Bogart for Homme and the logo Bogart, and here it's from Jacques Bogart. It's 100 milliliters, 3.3 fluid ounce, eau de toilette concentration. On the back, we can see the ingredients. Parfums, Jacques Bogart, made in France. On the bottom, we can see here the barcode and the batch code. There, batch code. And on the top, we can see here just a barcode again, maybe from where it's bought. So opening the box. The box. There. Whoa, wow guys, just look at that. Very elegant bottle design, very classic. Here, there's nothing on there. The bottle is very classic. See, the sprayer is incorporated in the main bottle itself. Here we have the logo of Bogart, the letter B, Bogart pour Homme, Jacques Bogart. Jacques Bogart, Paris. There. Nothing on the back. And here we have numbers. Some numbers there on the bottom. I don't know if you can see them, guys. Here. And here we have the concentration. There. Oh, it's an eau de toilette concentration. 100 milliliters, made in France. There. So let's try the spray. Oh, a very small spray. It's not sprayed yet, I think. There, initial blast. Very good spray. There, wow. The sprayer of Bogart pour Homme is really strong, guys. So be careful with the trigger. What can I smell on the initial spray? Let's let it dry down first. Little bit of history of this fragrance. I'm so curious to having this fragrance because first I watched the reviews of other YouTube fragrance reviewers, and I found out that it's a cheapie and it's one of the best, especially from Mr. Smelly. So Mr. Smelly, if you're watching this video, I had an interest in this fragrance because of you, and as well as Joy Amin and the other fragrance reviewers in YouTube. It's really good, guys. I think I can smell cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon, tobacco. I can really smell the tobacco here, guys. It's strong. This is a tobacco fragrance. I don't know the notes of Bogart for Homme yet. I haven't searched it on Fragrantica. There's a bubblegummy vibe here in Bogart for Homme. I don't know if it's cardamom, because I associate cardamom with the fragrance being bubblegummy. The cherry, I get a little bit of cherry, like what other YouTube fragrance reviewers are saying. But the most prominent note that I can detect here in Bogart for Homme is a tobacco. It's really good, guys. I can see people in their younger ages wearing this fragrance. Teenagers can rock this one out. It's really bubblegummy, guys. I really enjoy I can imagine already wearing this fragrance. For the price that I have paid for Bogart for Homme, this is worth the blind buy, guys. I suggest you buy Bogart for Homme because it's very cheap and it will really get you through the day. I can imagine many girls will give you compliments with this one. I haven't tested this yet, obviously, because it just arrived here in my dormitory. But I will try to wear this one and maybe have some review about this fragrance. So recap again, initial spray, I can smell tobacco, a little bit of cherry, but there's also cardamom in this fragrance, Bogart for Homme. There. For the price that I've paid, a cheapie but goodie fragrance, this one is. Period. So that's it, guys. That's for my unboxing and initial impressions on Jacques Bogart's Bogart for Homme. I hope you like my video, guys. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedson from the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!